Hello, kids. Today we will learn reading and forming sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. Pattern for our sentence is this is a. Before we get started, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch fun videos every day. Let's get started. This is a cat. Again. This is a cat. Your turn to read. Very good. This is a red ball. Again. This is a red ball. Your turn to read. Very good. This is a big apple. Again. This is a big apple. Your turn. Very good. This is a sun. Again. This is a sun. Your turn to read. Very good. This is a blue car. Again. This is a blue car. Your turn. Very good. Let's revise. What will you say when you see a dog? Correct. This is a dog. Your turn. Very good. What will you say when you see a leaf? A green leaf? Correct. This is a green leaf. Your turn to read. Very good. What will you say when you see a cup? A small cup? Correct. This is a small cup. Your turn. Very good. You did great. Can you form 3 sentences using "this is a pattern"? It's a challenge for you. And are you excited to meet Teaching Mama again? I am excited too. Till then, take care. Bye bye.